Tech channel. Today we are going to start a new video series named How It Works. So today I'm going to introduce you the hard drive. I'm going to start with the word storage. This is what gives us the storage. There are many types of storages. This is a hard drive, a 3.5-inch hard drive. Now I'll explain you how this thing works. We have a metal disc in this, like a CD in my hand. This CD turns in there with a very fast speed. For example, this is a 7200 RPM hard drive, so the disk in this can turn 7200 times per minute. That's quite fast. So, and we have a read and write head. You can think of it like this screwdriver. This is our disk. So our head goes up and down, left and right on our disk, and reads and writes data on the metal disk with a magnetic recording technology. So when this thing reads something on the disk, our PCB here, our chips and controllers on this PCB converts those data parts to something that our computer can read, computer can understand, and when computer wants to write something on the disk, our controllers and chips convert it to a language that our read and write head can understand. So this is how a hard drive works. This is how a hard drive works. But you can ask me, this thing is so huge, how do we have storage in our phones that is so much more little than that? And but we have storage in it. We must have storage in it. In this phone we have 16 gigabytes of storage. So I'll explain you how this thing works with a basic way. There are a lot of types of storage. For example, I explain you this one, hard drive, which we use in our computers. There is another type of storage which we use in a lot of devices, SSDs. SSDs work like little USB flash drives. As you can see, there is a little chip in this which contains our data in a different way, not in a way like this, but in a very different way. I'll explain it to you in another episode of this series under the name of SSDs. So we have one of these in our phones, so we have storage. This is all. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions in mind to ask me about any computer component, be free, email me or ask it on the comments. Thank you. for watching again.